Hi. So I recently joined crowdtap.com, and basically you answer a whole bunch of questions for different brands and different organizations, and give your feedback on the products if you've ever tried them. And sometimes they will send you samples and you get to try them out. And sometimes you have to do a report of them, sometimes you just get to have them. This is part of a challenge for the Zep Commercial cleansters. I guess they're commercial cleaning products that you can find at Home Depot. I'm not sure if you can find them elsewhere. But anyway, they sent me 2 different samples, and I'm going to do my review of them. So the first one is the Zep Commercial All-Around Oxy Cleaner and Degreaser. The normal bottles are much larger. They actually have spray bottles and everything. These are just little spritzers. But these are actually pretty decent sample sizes. And I will show you the videos I took of this and the pictures so you can see how it worked. I'm going to be trying this Zep all-around oxy cleaner and degreaser on this stain on my carpet. I have no idea what it's from. It's been there for a while, and I'm going to see if this can get it out. We know it works well on the bathroom, so we'll see if it works well on carpet. Okay, so I let the Zep Commercial All-Around Oxy Cleaner and Degreaser sit for about 4 to 5 minutes on the stain, and it's gone. That's kind of amazing to me because usually permanent stains like that, it takes a little bit more work to get them out, even with Resolve or anything like that. So yeah, that stain has been there for several months. Like I said, I don't know what it was. It might have just been some soda. It could have been, I don't think it was my pet just because it didn't smell or anything, but it could have been. We don't know, but it's gone now, so I'm really happy with that. Yay! So my review of this product, besides the pictures and the videos that I showed you, I really like this product. I'm really surprised at how well it gets out stains and it cleans surfaces. I wasn't able to use it in my kitchen because the day before I got this, I cleaned my kitchen. I had a whole mess on my stove, and I wish I would have had this when I cleaned my stove because it took forever. I had to use a magic eraser trying to scrub everything off. But I cleaned part of my bathroom, and I had to stain my carpet, and this got it out really well. It's gotten out one of the best cleaning products of this nature that I've used. I guess the only complaint I would have about it is that it doesn't come in like citrus scents, or it just smells like a cleaner. It doesn't smell bad. It just, it smells like a cleaner. It doesn't have any, with some cleaning products, if you breathe just even some of the fumes in, you start to cough, or it has a weird reaction. I don't get that from this, and so that's really nice. So, yeah. I recommend trying this. If you can use it on pet stains, use it on soap stains or algae or anything like that that you've got in your bathroom. You can use it in the kitchen for anything. It'll work on a lot of stuff. And it works quickly. For hard surfaces, it takes a minute. You just spray it, leave it for a minute, wipe it out. It's easy. For the carpet, you leave it for 3 to 5 minutes. Same thing. It's very easy. So the next product is the Quick Clean Disinfectant. And again, these come in larger bottles. And this is supposed to be, it kills 99.9% of bacteria in 5 seconds. Now, there's not as much to demonstrate with this one, but I will show you the video I took of it so you can see how it works. So I'm going to be trying this Zep Commercial Quick Clean Disinfectant. I'm going to try it on the doorknob. I've been sick for the past 2 weeks, so it's good to disinfect these things. So
Supposed to spray it on, leave it on for about 5 seconds, make sure it's thoroughly wet. That seems to be thoroughly wet. And it's been 5 seconds. Let's rub that. And now supposedly it should be disinfected. It kind of smells like other disinfectants. Not bad. I think the only way to gauge the effectiveness of this would probably be if you had a petri dish and you compared the before and after of, say, this handle before and after, and then another handle with another disinfectant. I don't know. But it doesn't smell terrible, and the door handle is shiny, so yay.
So it's a little difficult to review something like this because other than the word of the product, you don't really have a way to definitively say if it works unless, you know, you have 2 comparable doorknobs and you have petri dishes and you can test them before and after. I don't have access to petri dishes. I wish I did. I was a biology major in college, and we actually did an experiment kind of like this for the surfaces and testing disinfectants and things. That was really fun, but don't have that for this. So mostly what I can review it on is its application and what it smells like, things like that. It goes on very easily. You don't need a lot of it. I mean, I think in the video I sprayed maybe once or twice, and it was dripping on the doorknob. And I left it for a couple seconds. I wiped it off. And yeah, I mean, the doorknob didn't look much different. I didn't use it on any, I don't have any messes to disinfect, so I wasn't really able to use it on anything in that sense of the, you know, the test. But it smells kind of like your typical commercial disinfectant. It doesn't smell quite as strongly, so it's probably not going to irritate you. I do wish that it came in a better scent. Again, the citrus scents, that's what I associate with cleaning, like lemons, orange, anything like that, or even like a fresh scent. You know, something like that is what I associate with disinfectants. And so for disinfectant purposes, I would probably use more something like Lysol, because it does have a nice scent to it, and that's what I like. But this is supposed to be a commercial cleaner, and like I said, you can find it at Home Depot. That's the one place I've seen that you can find it at. And so this is probably more for workspace. And in that case, I can understand if they don't have it in the different scents. They just want, you know, the disinfectant. They want it to work. They aren't as concerned about the way it smells. However, I think that if they offered these in different scents, they could sell these a lot more to, you know, housewives and anybody really, you know, anybody who's going to be cleaning around the house, because they you know, well, this works really, really well. I will take its word that it works really well, because I have no idea. I don't have the petri dishes or anything, but it works just fine. So, but I feel like if they had better scents, they'd be able to sell more of them. And I think that's kind of the whole point of this review, is to give you guys an idea of the products, inform you of the products, and, you know, tell you my general opinions. So, yeah, those are my thoughts and feelings on the Zep Commercial All-Around Oxy Cleaner and Degreaser, and the Zep Commercial Quick Clean Disinfectant. I got these through crowdtap.com. It's free to join. You just answer some questions. You can sign up for things. You get free stuff sent to you. Sometimes you have to do reviews, post them on social media, but it's not that hard. So I hope you found this informative. And if you have any more questions about my experience with these, I think I covered everything. But if you have more questions, just let me know in the comments, and I'll try to answer them. All right. Thank you. Bye.